342 and 564 is nothing but 465. So addition of this is also stored in reverse order because these numbers are in stored in reverse order. So answer is also in reverse order. So 708 is the answer. Real answer is 807, which is this is the answer. So there are few things we have to consider here. Basically, we have to solve this problem by doing elementary math, where we are actually adding the numbers and carry over the remaining number. So basically, for example, 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. So the remainder is, we have to get the, uh, reminder, and then we have to carry over the one. Um so that is what, 4 plus 3 is 8. So now, how do we know how to get the reminder and how to, carry over this number? To figure out that, we can, you know use the mod operator to get the reminder. For example, 10 mod 10 is 0, so that is what our value. And to get the, the carryover, we have to do 10 divided by, like, sum divided by 10, which is sum is 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 divided by 10, the quotient is 1. So the whatever the quotient we get is what our carry on is number is. So and third point is, if either it could possible either L1 is bigger and L2 is smaller. So let's say L1 or linked, first link is bigger, and second list is smaller. So in that case, when second list is smaller, we have to consider anything what that is null, that is as a 0. And same is true for if L2 is smaller and L1 is L2 is bigger and L1 is smaller. So if you understand all those things, we are good to go. I will start. you know Initially, what we have to do is take the dummy node, because the this last linked list we have to uh, return, and we have to create a new linked list. So I'm going to take one dummy node. Dummy. Then we have to take variables, carry on, initially 0, and then we will have our while loop. If L1 not equal to null, or L2 not equal to null, right? So we will go. So either any of them has some, digits in that, then we will go ahead and we will we will calculate our um, value. So basically, let's assume that, let me go to the whiteboard here. So let's say we have a linked list, right, which has the first linked list is 99 and 9. First node is 9, second node is 9, and then second linked list has a 9, and there is nothing here, right? So it is a smaller compared to the first list. So when we try to add it, we will go, adding first element. 9 plus 9 is 8, and carry on is 1. 9 plus 1 is 0, and then carry on is 1, and 1 is just get added again here as it is. So in reverse, we say the answer is 108. So that is the answer. So when we go, we will see, okay, my L1 is either has some value, or L2 has some value. We'll go inside and we will do addition of them. So if L1 has a value but L2 doesn't has value, we will still go inside, try to do addition. So here, but we have to make sure that we always add on carry on number. So here in our case the carry on number is 0. So 9 plus 9 8, carry on number is 0. So 9 plus 9 18, and the carry on number in this case is 0, but 18, we need 8 here and 1 over there. So basically we need a reminder over here. So the value will be as a reminder and carry on will be 1. So let's calculate that. So L1 not equal to null, L2 not equal to null, and then value will be, if L1 not equal to null, then take L1 value, right? Otherwise, just consider as a 0. Plus same logic for L2. If L2 not equal to null, take L2 dot value, or else take it as a 0. So this is what we are adding two numbers. Now we have to get a sum of those. So sum equal to value plus carry on. Now how to calculate this carry on is nothing but, as I explained, carry on is nothing but when we do 9 plus 9 18. So 8 is my reminder and carry on is 1. So basically just divide it. So my sum divided by 10. So if I divide 18 by 10, so then what will happen? 10 ones are 10, and 10, we get a remainder as 8, right? So when we divide 18 by 10, so 10 ones are 10, 10 18 minus 10, remainder is 8. So that is what all about. We get a carry on. Um, no, carry on is sorry, it's the quotient. No, not the remainder. We are looking for a quotient here. So carry on is nothing but a quotient, which is 10 divided by 18. So 10 ones are 10. So my quotient is 1. Sorry about that. So 1 is my quotient, which is nothing but the carry on. And then my value is basically what is the remainder is. So sum by 10, this is what the remainder is going to be 8. So that is what my value is. So now I figure out both carry on and my value. So all I have to do is now create a node. So this dummy node, I will create a current node and point to the dummy. No, currently both dummy and currently pointing to the same node. So now current dot next, all I have to do is now add my calculator value into the new node. Current dot next equal to new list node with the value I just calculated. It's going to be in the constructor and then update the pointers. L1 will go to the next node, but here it may possible my L1 is already null. So I have to check null condition here. There are a lot of null checks here, so you should be careful. So if L1 not equal to null, then assign the next node. Otherwise, just assign null. Same thing for L2. L2 not equal to null, then get the L2 node next. Otherwise, just assign null to L2. And for the current is now current dot next. Now, okay, we can just return dummy dot next. Yeah, so it runs, but there is one issue in this code. So the issue is this is working fine because at the last there is no carry on. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, there was a last carry on was here. 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 1, and then 4 plus 3 1 is 8. But if these two numbers, the last two numbers are bigger, in this case, we or there is a prior carry on. For example, if this number is 9, right? So 9 plus 4 is 13. So in that case, I have to put, uh, 3 here and 1 is getting carry on. So to in that case, my both L1 has everything is finished. All the nodes are finished. L1 is null and L2 is null. So in my condition, I have L1 or L2 in null. Then only if not null, either of them not null, it will go inside. So what will happen to that last carry on? That last carry on will never come, and then some of these test cases will get failed where you are getting a bigger number at the end. So to handle that, because I already calculated my carry on, and carry on in that case will be that particular number, it will definitely not be zero. So if I take that condition also a part of this or and add it here, then we should be good to handle the edge case of having last numbers having double digits, addition of last numbers having double digit numbers. So that will get handled with this condition, and I will submit it. Yep, that's worked perfectly. 1 millisecond, 100%, faster than 100% of all Java online submission for add two numbers. This is perfect. Thank you guys.